Hello everyone, this is Tirthraj here to share Photoshop knowledge with you. But before going into the Photoshop, let's know what is Photoshop and what Photoshop deals with. Yeah, you're right, Photoshop deals with photos as it's named. But sorry, you are incomplete or partially correct. Actually, Photoshop deals with lots more. It deals with graphic design, photo edit, web design, animation, VFX, architectural design, and many more. Photoshop is the product of American software company Adobe. As you know, Photoshop is the raster-based software. So when you zoom it in the Photoshop, you'll see like this. Talking about the scope of the Photoshop has a great scope. The Photoshop have a scope in a print industry, in the media industry, in web industry, in software industry, in advertising industry, film industry, and many more. Now, due to the increase in the digitalization and growing use of technology, the scope of Photoshop is increased. And now everywhere, even in a household, school, college, and university. You can use this in the social media just to create your impression. Okay, now let's go into the software. First of all, let's open the software. To open the software, in Windows, it can be in your taskbar, in desktop, or simply you'll get by searching in the search box of the taskbar. For Mac, click Photoshop in the Spotlight or Dock, or simply search in the Spotlight. Now you get your Photoshop in your screen. Now let's know the work area. Now this is the menu bar. It contains about 12 menu options, which are File, Edit, Image, Layer, Type, Select, Filter, 3D, View, Window, and Help. And let's go to the next. And this is the tool panel, where we get lots of tools to work with it, which are Move and Selection tool, Crop and Slice tool, Measurement tool, Retouching and Painting tools, Drawing and Type tools, Navigation tools, and Eye tool. And there is an option bar, in-app search, workspace menu, share an image button, and many more. We can customize the workplace according to the need. In my next video, I'll be sharing a detailed overview of tool panel and their uses. Thank you very much for watching my video. You can like the video, share the video. If you want to say anything, feel free to say in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe.